When it comes to choosing a guitar, there are two main options that musicians often debate over: acoustic and electric guitars. Each type has its own unique characteristics, and understanding how they can shape your musical identity is crucial in standing out from the crowd. In this article, we will explore the differences between acoustic and electric guitars, delve into their respective advantages and disadvantages, and provide insights on how you can make an informed decision based on your individual preferences. Acoustic guitars, capturing the essence of raw emotion. If you're someone who appreciates a more organic sound with natural resonance, then an acoustic guitar might be just what you need to unlock your unique sound. The beauty of acoustic guitars lies in their ability to capture the essence of raw emotion through their warm tones and rich harmonics. Why choose an acoustic guitar? Acoustic guitars offer a simplicity that allows you to focus solely on your playing technique without any additional distractions or complexities. They are portable instruments that don't require amplification, making them ideal for intimate performances or impromptu jam sessions around a campfire. How do they shape your musical identity? Playing an acoustic guitar requires finesse and precision due to its higher action, the distance between the strings and fretboard. This challenges you as a musician to develop finger strength while also honing your sense of timing and rhythm. The rawness of an acoustic guitar's sound can bring out vulnerability in your music, allowing you to connect deeply with both yourself as a performer and your audience. Electric guitars, unleashing creativity through versatility. On the other side of the spectrum lies electric guitars, powerful instruments that have become synonymous with rock and roll rebellion but have much more to offer than meets the eye. Unlike their unplugged counterparts, electric guitars rely on amplifiers for their sound projection, allowing for a wide range of tonal possibilities. Why choose an electric guitar? Electric guitars provide a vast array of effects and sonic manipulation options that can help you shape your musical identity in unique ways. From distortion to wah-wah to delay, the possibilities are endless. Additionally, playing an electric guitar often involves using techniques like bending strings and utilizing the whammy bar, adding expressive elements to your playing style. How do they shape your musical identity? Electric guitars empower you to experiment with different genres and styles. Whether you want to dive into heavy metal shredding or explore jazz improvisation, the versatility of an electric guitar allows you to adapt and evolve as a musician. The ability to stand out from the crowd is amplified, no pun intended, with the distinctive sounds that only an electric guitar can produce. Making your decision. Factors to consider. Now that we have explored the characteristics of both acoustic and electric guitars, it's essential to consider various factors before making your decision. Musical genre. Think about the genres you primarily play or wish to pursue. Acoustic guitars tend to be more suited for folk, country, or singer-songwriter styles, while electric guitars excel in rock, blues, jazz fusion, and heavier genres. Playing environment. Consider where you will be performing most frequently: intimate venues or large stages. Acoustic guitars are ideal for smaller settings due to their natural projection capabilities without relying on amplification. Conversely, if you plan on performing in larger venues where volume is crucial or need flexibility in sound manipulation during recording sessions or live performances, then an electric guitar may be more suitable. Budget. It's no secret that budget plays a significant role in any instrument purchase decision. While there are affordable options available for both types of guitars at various price points, keep in mind that additional costs such as amplifiers, for electrics, accessories, and maintenance should also be factored in. Conclusion. Embrace your unique sound. Choosing between an acoustic and electric guitar is a personal decision that ultimately depends on your musical preferences, playing style, and aspirations as a musician. Whether you resonate with the rawness of an acoustic guitar or the versatility of an electric one, both instruments offer incredible opportunities for self-expression and growth. Remember that the journey towards unlocking your unique sound is not limited to choosing just one type of guitar. Many musicians find joy in owning both acoustic and electric guitars, allowing them to explore different avenues creatively. So embrace your uniqueness, let your music speak volumes, and stand out from the crowd, whether it's through the soulful strums of an acoustic or electrifying riffs on an electric guitar. In conclusion, understanding how each type of guitar can shape your musical identity is essential in standing out from the crowd. Acoustic guitars capture raw emotion while providing simplicity and portability. Electric guitars unleash creativity through their versatility and effects options. By considering factors such as musical genre, playing environment, and budget, you can make an informed decision based on what suits you best. Remember that there's no right or wrong choice. Embrace your unique sound with confidence.